Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming MIUI is updated and there's space on the home screen. This avoids hidden restrictions. Once ready, unlock your phone and navigate to the exact page where the widget will live. Long press any empty area until icons shrink and an Edit or Widgets option appears. This is the quickest route into customization. Make sure to pause for 1 second after the long press so the system registers edit mode, then tap Widgets to reveal. You now pick the right widget by opening the Widgets drawer. Browse by app to find your clock, weather, or note widget. Once chosen, tap and hold the widget, then drag it onto the home screen spot you prepared. Release to drop it. Make sure it snaps into place. If the widget supports resizing, long press it again and drag the handles to expand or shrink. This optimizes layout and ensures no icons are overlapped, preserving usability and aesthetics. You finish by configuring the widget. Tap it to open options, connect accounts, set a location, or choose a theme so it shows the right data. Once set, optionally lock the home layout in settings to prevent accidental moves or rearrange nearby icons for a clean look. If the widget doesn't load, clear the app cache, remove and re-add the widget, or restart the phone. These steps resolve most issues and restore normal behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.